everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's blaster review will be on the Avenger Force Double Fire. The Double Fire it kind of resembles a mini version of the Double Shot from Buzzbee, and honestly it looks pretty nice looking. And the way this works is, instead of in the traditional Buzzbee Double Shot, any variant really, you would have to load the shells in like so, and of course you would have shells and darts, and then you would flip this up and pull the trigger. For this blaster variant, all you have to do is just kind of prime it the same way you would do with the Double Shot. Prime it all the way until you hear it click. You throw just 2 darts here, right here in this compartment here, and when it's done, you can just flip it back up like a normal Double Shot, minus the shells. The accuracy and performance on this are pretty good. I'm just using the default darts that came with the blaster, just so we keep things nice and simple. And the way this mechanism works is, if you pull the trigger lightly, it will shoot 1. If you pull the trigger all the way really fast, it will shoot 2. But it all depends on what you do with that first trigger pull. So I'm aiming for the block of wood, 1 shot, and the other. The bounce back's pretty good. The wall, it seems to shoot pretty decently well. And do keep in mind that it does come with a ammo holder for it towards the back of the blaster. The way I think this, what I also noticed is this piece is detachable, so you can reattach it to either side at any point, anytime, anywhere. And personally, I'm a right-hander, so I would prefer this this clip-on thing to be towards on the left side, so it wouldn't come in conflict with my hand. Again, the way you load it is you load like a normal Double Shot, put the 2 darts in, flip it back, and you're ready. I haven't thought about converting this into a sawed-off version because I actually like it the way it is now. Just my personal preference. And yeah, it performs really well. I don't know about accuracy, so I'm going to do the same thing I did in previous videos. I'm going to aim for that black handle right there on that step stool, doing 2 darts. Pretty well accurate, actually. Now, the capabilities with this blaster is, well, obviously, its unique ability with this blaster is you can shoot 1 or 2 darts depending on how hard or soft you pull on the trigger. If you pull it, like I said, if you pull it lightly, shoots 1. And then if you want to shoot the other one, you pull really hard on the second trigger pull. Now, as far as compatibility with other darts, I have a massive dart bucket right here, so I'm just going to pull out, let's start with Race Squad darts. The Race Squad Waffle Head AccuStrike darts variants. So I'm going to load 1, I'm going to load 2. Same as before, I'm going to aim for the block of wood, leveled. A little bit more bounce back. So it does. So with the stock darts, obviously it won't go as farther. It won't go as farther as like darts, say the Race Squad darts or any other kind of dart that's not the Avenger Force darts. Now, I do like the shotgun feel and the shotgun look. I could care less about this ammo holder here. But I do like the fact that it's not permanent like some other Nerf blasters where you have to have this in this spot, you have to keep it like that. No, this blaster is much different than that. You can take this off, like I said before, and just slap it on either side. And make sure, to my understanding, the proper way of putting this on, if you put on, say, this side or this side, make sure that you have this kind of looking. You have the holes with the slit down each one pointing up. And if you don't, that's okay. But I find it to be much easier to load darts from this point of view. As far as the performance goes, like I said, the performance is really good. Accuracy is pretty good. Rate of fire is dependent on how fast or slow you pull that trigger and reload the blaster itself. Rate of fire, oh yeah, I already covered that. Ammo capacity, it comes with 6 darts from, like 6 stock Adventure Force darts. 2 in the barrel for next time, or for storage. And I like it how it doesn't have a door, like a storage door for inside the back of the stock or somewhere on the blaster, because, to be honest, I hardly or never use it. And I always, for example, that the Fortnite shotgun, the red and white one, where they had dart storage literally right here in the back of the stock, and you open the flap, I would never use that. I would just keep it in my pockets, honestly. But this blaster it's pretty good for like a last minute secondary or a secondary. It gets the job done, and it would be pretty good for, like, I don't know, medium distance Nerf wars, maybe close quarters, I don't know. But those are just my personal preference with the blaster. So honestly, I'd give this easily, I want to say like, let's go with 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for this blaster. It's pretty good. I would highly recommend it. I don't see any major cons with the blaster other than being relatively small, but I'm pretty much a really big guy, so that won't work out. Regardless, I still like this blaster a lot. So 8 out of 10 for the Adventure Force Double Fire. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. If you enjoyed the video and understood the video, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, or any combination of the 3. If you're not comfortable, that's fine, too. And as always, have a good day, night, life, and everything else. And I'll see you guys in the next video.